Hi, and welcome to Figure 8, the essential human-in-the-loop AI platform for data science and machine learning teams. This tutorial will cover the fundamentals of using Figure 8 by having you build and run an example job. Each video will walk you through a specific step of the job lifecycle. It's highly recommended you actively follow along and build the example job in your own account, as that's the best way to learn. Throughout the tutorial, we'll include relevant articles from our Success Center for further reading. You'll also find that useful articles are linked to from every step in the Figure 8 job lifecycle. Between these links and its own search function, the Success Center intends to provide a comprehensive guide to using Figure 8 on your own, so be sure to check it out. Go ahead and log in to your Figure 8 account now and we'll get started. Alright, let's create the job. Here we'll be building a job that rates the sentiment of tweets. Sentiment analysis is one of the most popular use cases on the Figure 8 platform, and the job design is very straightforward. When creating a job, you have the option of beginning with one of our templates, which are organized by use case. Within each use case, there are various types of templates. These reflect the most common Figure 8 use cases, complete with design best practices. If none of these templates quite fit your needs, check out a few others to see different question and data design approaches that may be good to borrow from. You also have the option to build from scratch. Here's sentiment analysis. We can see that in this case, the contributors rate the sentiment of tweets that are displayed in the job's interface. Are they positive, negative, or neutral? This is a great starting point for us. By tweaking this template just a bit, we'll have a design to fit our needs. Let's go ahead and use this one and we can get going.